getting this $100 line up, you know what I'm saying, fresh from the spot where, you know, nothing but the fresh cuts come from. You know what I mean? Nigga say he wanted that $100 line, so you know what I mean, I had to make sure he was extra crispy.
Yeah, man. Hey, have in the mirror, took that cut out, man.
Yeah, man, so where you from, man?
Yeah, man, you know, I'm from the Mac, man. You know what I'm saying? Making jobs, dog.
Okay, then, you know, welcome to goddamn Millersville, man. You know what I'm saying? This how we do it down here, man. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
You know what I mean?
I heard you were the best, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, boy, I got you goddamn right, man, for the club tonight. Hold on.
You see the mirror, man?
Yeah, man. That's it right there.
Man, what the fuck? Oh, hell no, man. That ain't cool, man.
Hey, man. I'm just bro. That shit fresh, though, bro. I'm saying, bro.
Damn, who the fuck cut your hair, bro?
Yo, I broke my dick.
You probably never seen it from an outside point of view.
Yeah.
What happened to you?
Damn, who the fuck cut your hair?
Yep, all done. I got 99 problems, but a haircut's not one.
We got a free hand going on right here. Just the first time. We're gonna bring him back again too, baby. See some stuff where I could have did differently on.
Bruh. Bruh.
My nigga. You got that smile.
Hey, no, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Do it.
Man, I tell you, man, my sister died. She died. And then I didn't know about
Oh! Damn, that's the girl.
Okay, I'm done. Oh my god. No, that would be so fucked up if he did that. Ow. So. Ow.
Does that hurt?
Yes.
Probably because it's wet.
I think this is too big of a job for that thing. And if it is, I'm going to be so fucking pissed. Hold on. Come over here. It won't work. It needs like, oh my god! Oh my god! You know what? You're right. It's not going to work. Oh my god! Oh my
Boy, stop, okay?
Listen, Miss Johnson, listen to me, okay? What kind of thong you got on?
Oh my gosh.
Oh
What
gosh,
is your
just
problem?
tell me.
Why-
all right, let
why
me
do you
know.
wanna-
Let me know what color. Tell me what color you have. Tell me what color you have on.
It's blue. Hello?
What do you want?
Hello? Hello? You know what? I don't got time for you.
No, no. What do you want, man? Who was you on the phone with? None of your business. You good? Yeah. You hungry? No. You thirsty? No. You want a bacon, egg, and cheese? No! Oh my gosh, man. You want help? What? Let me help you. With what? With that. That what? That hairline. Oh my gosh. What you know about cutting hair? Man, I was cutting all their heads back in the day. Okay. On the block. At 7 o'clock. On a dot. Splitting it from the bottom to the top. Do you even have any money to cut your hair tomorrow? No, I don't have no money to cut my hair tomorrow. All right then. So let me cut your hair so you don't go out there looking like LeBron, man. I gotta go to the bathroom, man. This shit is crazy. No, listen, man. Listen. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Hey, this barber right here, can he cut?
Yeah, man, I heard he's pretty straight, man. His nickname Fresh.
Fresh?
Yeah, Fresh.
What's his last name?
I don't know, man. He probably kin to Dougie or something.
Dougie Fresh, the rapper?
You know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Dougie Fresh.
What brings you here?
I'm here to get an edge from Fresh.
From Fresh?
Yeah.
How long you been coming here?
A couple weeks now.
Yeah?
He official, man.
He's official?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm positive.
You sure?
I'm sure. You can take my word for it.
Hey, Skinny! My man! You up?
Come on, man. Trust me on this one, man.
You sure?
I got you.
All right, man. I'm taking your word for it. I'm depending on you. You too. You sure?
What's up, man? I'm Fresh.
Jonathan.
What's up, Jonathan, man? You been here before?
Nope. First time. First time.
What's up, man? You done came to the right spot.
Yeah.
A one. Mm-hmm. There you go. This shit ain't fresh, my nigga! You fucked my head up, my nigga! About, man. This ain't no goddamn one! That's a one! No goddamn one! That's a one! You messed me up! You asked for one, that's a one! They don't get the one! Hold on, man, I ain't paying for this shit! I ain't paying for this shit! You fucked me up! I ain't paying... You done switched up now, huh? Get your ass over here, man! Where my money at? Where my money at? This damn money, shut up! Y'all keep cutting! Keep cutting! Oh, okay, cool. Hey, man, if you got anybody else, you fucked me up, man. That's my answer.
Can anybody out there